Welcome to another video. We have a British Olympiad question before us. S cubed minus open parenthesis 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 close parenthesis times s plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to find the values of x. Now let's get started. Now to answer this question, let us focus on the numbers in the parentheses. Here we have 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. We can write it as the square root of 3. So the equation will become s raised to the power of 3 minus 3 plus the square root of 3 times x plus 3, and this is equal to 0. Now let us multiply the numbers in the parentheses by x. This will give us s cubed minus s times 3 will give us 3x, s times the square root of 3 will give us the square root of 3x, then plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us multiply the terms in the parentheses by minus. Now, what should we do next? Here we have the square root of 3. I want to get rid of this square root radical. I'm going to replace this square root of 3 with a variable. Let us consider variable y. We will say y is equal to square root of 3. If we square both sides of the equation, we have that y squared is equal to the square root of 3 squared. This power will cancel the square radical. Y squared is equal to 3. In this equation, we will replace the square root of 3 with y, and we will replace 3 with y squared. We have s cubed minus sy squared. We will group these two together, and here we have minus xy plus y squared. We will group these two together, and this is equal to 0. Here, x is common. We are going to factor out x. So we have x cubed divided by s, we have s squared, minus sy squared divided by s, we are going to have minus y squared. And here, we are going to factor out minus y. Minus xy divided by minus y, we are going to have x. Y squared divided by minus y, we are going to have minus y. And this is equal to 0. We have x times, here we have x squared minus y squared, which is the difference of 2 squared. According to the difference of 2 squared identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So here we are going to have x minus y times x plus y. And here we have minus y times x minus y. And this is equal to 0. Between these two terms, s minus y is common. Let us factor out s minus y. So we are going to have x minus y. This expression divided by s minus y, we are going to be left with x times s plus y. This expression divided by s minus y, we are going to be left with minus y. And this is equal to 0. We have x minus y times s times x will give us s squared. S times y will give us sy. And here we have minus y. And this is equal to 0. We have two factors on the left hand side. S minus y times s squared plus sy minus y is equal to 0. Going back to our earlier substitution, y is equal to the square root of 3. Y squared is equal to 3. So here, we are going to replace y with the square root of 3. So we are going to have x minus the square root of 3 times s squared plus y is the square root of 3, so we have the square root of 3 times x minus the square root of 3. And this is equal to 0. Now, let us apply the 0 property by equating each of the factors to 0. We have that x is equal to the square root of 3. This is our first solution. And here we have the quadratic equation, which we can solve using the quadratic formula. Here we have the quadratic formula. A is the coefficient of the first term, which is 1. So A is equal to 1. B is the coefficient of the second term, which is the square root of 3. And C is the third term, which is minus the square root of 3. Now let us plug these values in the formula and solve for x. We have x is equal to minus the square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared will give us 3. Minus 4 times 1 will give us minus 4. Minus 4 times minus the square root of 3. This will give us 4 times the square root of 3. Divided by 2 times 1 will give us 2. We are going to have two values for x. We will say x1 is equal to minus the square root of 3 plus 3 plus 4 times the square root of 3 divided by 2. X2 is equal to minus the square root of 3 minus 3 plus 4 times the square root of 3 divided by 2. And S3 is our first solution, which is the square root of 3. These are the values of x that satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching this video. If the video is helpful, please follow my page and do remember to like, comment and share. All the best.